Hello, this is another of the Mr. Curtis video toolkits, and this is my second one for division. So today we're looking at dividing two-digit numbers just beyond the times tables. So we're still working towards the three-digit numbers, looking at them slightly larger this time. So when we get a question like this, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to use the inverse. We know the inverse, the opposite of multiplication is division, and the opposite of division is multiplication. So 84 divided by 6, the inverse of that is something times 6 equals 84. And we're going to use this to help us find the answer to the original question. Now, if we look at our times table square, we'll find that 84 doesn't seem to be in the 6 times table because it's too big. It's beyond the times tables that we commonly use. But we can still use our times tables to help us. And I know that 10 times 6 is 60. So if I take away 10 lots of 6 from 84, so 60 from 84, that leaves me with 24. So I've taken away 10 lots of the divisor, and that gives me 24. I can't take away another 10 lots, the number is too small, it's below 60. Now the number is below 60, it should be in the 6 times table or maybe near the 6 times table. So I could use my 100 square or just use my times table facts, and I know that 4 times 6 is 24. So I'm taking away another 4 groups of 6. Okay, so taking away groups of 6 until I get to 0 or a number that's too small to reach. In this case, I've gone to 0. Have I finished? Not quite. To get my final answer, I need to add together the total number of groups of the divisor I have taken away altogether. So we go back to our working out over here and see if we can find that. Well, I've taken away 10 groups of 6 and another 4 groups of 6. So in total, I've taken away how many groups? 10 add 4 equals 14. I've written that at the bottom, 14 groups of 6. So what is the final answer to my original question? 84 divided by 6 equals 14. I hope you can see how that system works and how it builds on the times table knowledge that we've been using previously. Good luck with your homework.